Today we are going to discuss one of the most frequently asked coding questions in Java interviews. So after completing 2 years in my first company, I was looking for a switch, and I have given interviews in 4 companies, and luckily in all the interviews I attended, I was asked the same coding question, which is the one we are going to discuss now. This video will be helpful for both freshers and people with 2 to 3 years of experience, as this is kind of basic program that every aspiring Java developer must learn. So the question is, count the number of occurrences of each character in a given string. After seeing this question, most of the people will be thinking of writing a for loop to iterate through the given string and declare an counter so that they will increase the value of counter every time they see a match for the particular character they are looking for in the string. So this is actually not a very good approach because it will need you to iterate through the given string multiple times, so the time complexity will be more. So first we will understand the question, and then we will see what could be the best approach for this question. Say for example, InnerRealmAK is the string wherein which we need to count the number of occurrences of each character as per the given problem statement. So we'll iterate through it, and first character is I. We'll keep it aside, and its count is 1. The next character is N. We'll keep it aside, and its count is 1. So the next character is again N. Since we already have it, instead of putting it in our list, we will increase its counter value. We'll put it as +1. And then next we see E. We'll put its count as 1. And then we will see I will take R and put its count as 1. Again R will increase the counter value. Then we see E will increase the counter value since we already have it. Likewise, we will iterate through whole string, and then we will have the unique characters, and we will have their values as their number of occurrences. So in the left side we see the unique characters, and right side we see the values, number of times they occur in the string, right? So in Java we have a concept called map. Maps store data in the form of key value pairs. Maps contain unique keys. So as per our problem statement, here the characters are the unique ones for which we need to count the number of occurrences. So we'll store keys as the characters, and the occurrences as the values. So let's write the code. So we will have our main method first. Then let's declare the string. We need to convert this string into a character array. There is an inbuilt method in string class. You can use the same to convert this string into an character array. So we'll have our HashMap. So here I'm taking the key type as character and the value type as integer, because key is the character and integer is its count, the number of count of its occurrences. So we'll have new HashMap. So first we will have a for loop to iterate through the character array. So how do we write the condition? We'll have an if-else condition, wherein if we will check if the character is already present in the map as a key. So we will say if map.contains key. character is a key, as we discussed earlier in our whiteboard example, right? So if it already contains, we'll see what we do. But if it is not already in the map, we will put the character as a key and its value as 1, because this is the first occurrence of the particular character. So if it is the first occurrence, we'll put the key in the map and give its value as 1. While iterating through the character array, if our current character is already present in the map, then we will get the value of the current character and increment its value by 1, because this is the next occurrence, right? So map.get say, and we'll do +1 to the current value. So every time we see the character, we come across the same character again, we'll do a +1. So likewise we will it will check for all the characters in the array. And to print this map, so key value pair is called an entity, and we have something called EntrySet for map that we need to create to print the map values. So we'll create the EntrySet. It should be of same type, character and integer. So eset will get this value from map.get in EntrySet. So this stores the data in the form of key value pair. So eset will System.out.println eset.getKey. For each entry set, it will print its key and its value. We will save it and run it, and we'll see the output. So it says A one time, capital A 1, R once. Likewise, it is showing the occurrences of each character. If you want to ignore the case, then we can convert all the characters to a lowercase or uppercase as you wish. Convert them to particular case and then run the code again. Then it will ignore the case and show you the count.